Hi guys, I'm Ishan and this is a chatbot that I made particularly for bus ticket booking app. This bot is made considering the pandemic situation. I made it using IBM Watson Assistant. Currently we are on Dialogflow page. Here we define the that the chatbot will say. Two important nodes here are the chitchat and welcome node. The chitchat node has four subnodes, that is hello, morning, afternoon, evening, bye bye and slang nodes. Their primary purpose is to identify greetings, goodbyes and the slangs. The bot greetings are configured such that it detects system time and prints the correct greeting. I will demonstrate this further in the video. The other node, that is the welcome node, first collects our name then reverts it back through a display menu. The dialog flow runs based on the training given to it. The training is given by defining intents and entities. Moving on to the intents tab. An intent represents the purpose of a user's input. Here we define the user expressions that the user might use while conversing with the bot. This is a list of intents that I have declared. We will be checking the location intent. As you can see, it contains the location defined that the user will use while using the bot. Now, we will move on to entities. Entities is a representation, a term or object that is relevant to our intents and that provide a specific context for an intent. That is, here we get freedom in grammar. We will give here examples that are more user oriented. For example, we will check the greetings entity. Here I have defined just one entity, that is hi, but in the synonyms there are variants of this, so it becomes more user oriented. Now we will move on to live demonstration. As you can as you can see, it begins by displaying an image. Namaste, welcome to KiwiBot. It then will ask us for our name. Let me input a random name here. After I do this, it detects the string and reverts back. Nice to meet you, Rohan. It will then displays a menu with five options. That is location confirmation, passenger safety, staff safety guidelines, social distancing, and coronavirus infographics. We will check the first option, location confirmation. The location confirmation collects location from the user and tells us whether the bus travels there or not. Currently, the bot is configured for locations in Pune city only. Let me input a location. Yes, so it prints yes, we travel to Pune station. To access the menu again, we will have to type menu. So now let's check our second option, passenger safety guidelines. This option provides for all the safety measures that a passenger has to ensure while traveling. Now moving on to our third option, but first let's type menu again. Our third option is staff safety guidelines. It is a list of safety measures that the travel partner associated with us will ensure. Our fourth option is social distancing. Let us check it out. Now this option tells the user about how the bus has been modified to ensure maximum safety. It is easily understood by the graphical representation of the bus. And our last option is coronavirus infographics. It tells the basic info on coronavirus, its symptoms and precautions. As I said before, our bot checks the system time and accordingly prints the required greeting. Let's try this last feature. The system time right now is 4 o'clock, but let's type good morning for now. As you can see, it printed hi there, it's a beautiful afternoon. So now let me just wrap up things by writing goodbye. And the bot replies accordingly, goodbye, hope I was able to help you, have a great day, and thank you for listening.